Hi guys, back for another episode of our Cookie Clicker Game of Scratch. If you haven't watched the other episodes, you should watch them because you'll be pretty far behind if you haven't. Last episode we've made some power-up thingies, and in this episode we are going to be making some golden cookies. So I'm just going to draw it here, and then we are going to add some chocolate chips, which are going to be black. And then what will happen is we'll take the script from this cookie, but instead of -2 to -6, it will be -10 to 20. And instead of going to 220 to -220, we'll go -210. Oh, -210 to 210. And instead of 160, it will be 150. Just to make sure none of them disappear. And what we'll do here is we'll take out go back one layers. And events when this sprite clicked, data change cookies by operators cookies divided by 5. Divided by 5 and control delete this clone. Then what we're going to do is events when backdrop switch backdrop 2, control forever, wait operators, pick random, 30 to 60 seconds, and create clone of myself. So we're going to see if this works. Oh yes, and when flag clicked, it will hide. Actually, I'll just click create clone of myself. It's pretty hard to get. It wouldn't give me anything anyway, but maybe we should make it just a bit slower. So maybe -6 to -11. So still pretty hard to get, but it works. Okay, so what we are going to do now is I'm going to go shut my door because my mom is vacuuming and yelling at me. Okay, so back to scratch. So I'm going to just click the flag again, press play. And yeah, now golden cookies will drop. And I'll try and get those while I'm creating the things. This time I'm going to make a factory. So I'm just going to color it all in. Actually, I'm just going to grab some white here, make it pretty big, so it will be an easier job coloring it in. And then I will get my thing down a bit, and it will be this color, dark gray. Then I will draw some pixel up here, then make it, it will be like this. So just draw a straight line, come down, draw another straight line, and then draw that, draw some smokestacks coming out of it. And this will give you 20 cookies a second. So it's going to be a lot better than the bakery. But it's going to cost you $500,000. Then I'm going to draw a window in here. Actually, that kind of looks like a hole. I'm just going to draw a few windows to make it look like a factory, you know. And then I'm going to do item 6 of costs. Item 6. Item 6. And item 6. And then I'm going to replace all these with 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then what I'm going to do is change cookies per second by 50. And then I'm going to go into my upgrade click and data add 500,000 to cost. So 500,000. Yep, that's 500,000. I hope. Yep, it is. So then we are going to replace this with 6. Click the flag to get it working. Then that will slide off as usual. Go up 1, and then you'll see the factory here. And then it will go all in. And yeah, that's working nicely. I'm just going to check our time here. We still got lots. So I'm going to duplicate this. Then I'm going to get my white and color off these smoke lines to make sure they don't touch the top, and make it so that we dye the whole frame white, because that would not end up well. Then I'm going to color all of these. Then the next thing that will happen is I'm going to build a cookie tower. So I'm going to make a tower like this. That doesn't really look like a tower. It's going to be an office building, actually. And this one is going to give you 100 cookies a second. There we go. So we gotta go like that. Then I'm gonna make a roof, triangle roof type thing. Go straight down. Fill that in. Draw a few windows. Keep drawing into windows. Then, once I'm done drawing in all the windows, I will go into my thing and make it cost, let's say, 3 million. I mean, 15 mil. Because you'll be getting a lot from your factories and stuff. So there we go. So item 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, and this one will get you 500 cookies a second. So then we'll go into our upgrade click, and we will do 15 million. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There we have it, 15 million. And we will check here, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I will click the flag again, let that scroll off. Then here we go, up. Then we have our office building. We can go down, see all of our other stuff. And there's still a lot to do. But as you see, we have quite a few things that are in our list. Yeah?
Daddy's having salad right now. Did you want to have some lunch?
That's just my mom, guys. And she is yelling at me.
No, I'm not. It's up to you.
Okay, so back to scratch. And that's it for this episode. Like, share, and subscribe.